Stomp. To step heavily or noisily with your feet. She stomped out of the room in frustration. The crowd stomped their feet with excitement. Inhale. To breathe air into your lungs. The doctor asked her to inhale and hold her breath. She inhaled the sweet smell of the flowers. Tipsy. Slightly drunk after drinking alcohol. He looked tipsy but was still smiling and talking. Don't drive if you feel tipsy. Buzzed. As a slang. Slightly drunk or lightly affected by alcohol. He sounded buzzed when he called his friend. I felt buzzed after drinking a glass of wine. Fatality. A death caused by an accident or disaster. The storm caused several fatalities in the area. Safety rules help prevent accidents and fatalities. Hurl. To throw something with great force. She hurled the stone into the river. The player hurled the javelin with great force. Collapse. To fall down suddenly or stop functioning. The bridge collapsed because it was too old. She felt weak and almost collapsed. Borrow. To take something from someone with the intention of returning it. Can I borrow your red pen? He borrowed my bike to go to the market. Tame. Not wild or brought under control. This dog is very friendly and tame. It is difficult to tame a wild animal. Stampede. A sudden rush of people or animals running together in fear or excitement. The animals moved together in a wild stampede. The guards tried to stop the stampede at the gate. Wander. To walk or move around without a clear direction. We wandered through the streets of the old city. My mind began to wander during the long meeting. Refuse. To say no to something or not accept it. The child refused to eat vegetables. They refused to follow the unfair rule. Emit. To produce or send out light, sound, gas, or heat. The machine emits a loud noise. The sun emits heat and light. Scatter. To throw or spread things in different directions. The children scattered when the bell rang. Papers were scattered all over the floor. Bury. To put something into the ground and cover it with soil. She buried her face in her hands and cried. The villagers buried the time capsule many years ago.